Welcome to our overview video of the Website Starter Kit for Digital Agencies, your ultimate solution for building a professional, user-friendly, and fully responsive website from scratch. The Website Starter Kit is designed for digital agencies looking to create a stunning online presence without coding or technical expertise. Our kit offers a set of pre-designed pages and layouts, customizable features, and powerful tools, making it the perfect choice for beginners and experienced website creators. The starter kit includes the following pre-built pages: home, what we do, success story, who we are, blog, contact us, and careers. Every page has a set of pre-built subpages that you can use to build your own. With What We Do page you can showcase your services using different ways to do it, like writing a selling description, highlighting the benefits of working with you, or showing clients' feedback. The pre-designed Success Stories page enables you to display your company's portfolio and case studies with a variety of images and project descriptions, providing a comprehensive representation of your achievements. The Who We Are page enables you to craft an engaging About Us section that showcases your organization's journey, values, mission, vision, team members, and office locations. Our starter kit is equipped with a robust blog engine filled with vast features to create offbeat content. You can easily create SEO-optimized blog articles within your website and gather blog subscribers with a neat subscription form. If you need to expand your team and hire new professionals, we got you covered. Use our careers pre-built template to post job vacancies directly on your website with vacancy descriptions, job requirements, and company offerings. Accept replies from applicants directly into your inbox. In addition, the starter kit includes a sleek contact form that enables you to collect responses directly in your email inbox or CRM. You can personalize its fields and obtain any desired information from your customers. Additionally, the starter pack comes with such important features as a multi-language website switcher, protection from spammers with reCAPTCHA, a chatbot, built-in CRM, and some more. Thank you for watching our Digital Agency Starter Kit overview video. If you have any questions or need assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out to us.